Hello guys, my name is Aposa. Today I'm going to show you a video that I saw in Facebook that said that the redeemed pastor are planning with Nigeria government to wipe out the Igbos and also wipe out the Yorubas, which the Igbo that stand for Brafa. So to wipe out all the Igbos and wipe out all the Yorubas. I did not say it all. I saw the video on Facebook. I said, okay, let me just share the video with you guys. Please, before I will play the video, please subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up, and your opinion is needed. So whatever you think about the video, please leave it below. Okay, let me just show you the video and have a nice day.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to this YouTube channel. If today is your first time with this channel, make it not fail to hit on the red subscribe button. If you don't subscribe before, thank you and God bless you. If today is your first time with this Facebook page, Papa Kevin 101, I beg make it not fail to like and follow this page for more videos to come your way. Yes, my people, we don't come back here and say whenever any update like this, they kind of come on our doorstep, make we all reason this matter together. Yeah, this one where they happen today now, where they talk about Redeemed Church. Yes, Redeemed Church, now we talk about here today, because right now, waiting the app right now, church member come out to protest over the killing where they take place for Nigeria. See wetin happen for inside Redeemed Church. Pastor connived with Nigeria government, made them stop or made them wipe Yoruba and Igbo comot for the country. Now, church member can't come out, can't they protest for inside church? Yes, so now waiting supposed to dey happen with this, because most of these member wey be say yes they clap for all this pastor, now they make the country be the way it be today. So this one when it happen so though, it happen for America, US. Now this one for happen. Make I read what happen before we put our own take for inside. He say Redeemed Church member in US protest during worship service over killing in Nigeria. The ROCCG member accused their own church of concluding with Nigeria government to wipe out Yoruba and Igbo from the country. Una the year? Redeemed ROCC member accused their own church of concluding with Nigeria government made them wipe out Yoruba and Igbo come up for the country. When I see these people, when I see the church people, then more continue. He said some member of the Redeemed Christian Church of God staged a surprise protest during a service at one of the church branches in New Jersey, the United States. Another year. Now what's happened with this one? See what's in the happen now. Church pastor connived with Nigeria government, made a wipe out Yoruba and Igbo come up for the country. And if you look this church where people where they patronize, where they support these people, Yoruba and Igbo, they are the people supporting these people well. You not go expect say now you go see Hausa man for inside that church now. No, you not do. You not do. But Yoruba and Igbo, they are the one going to these churches supporting these people. But when I hear wetin the pastor talk, he said make they wipe Yoruba, wipe Igbo come up for the country, because now they be the problem of the country. When I see church, when they go, when I see church where some of them they go and they say yes, these people don't care about you people, they only care about their pocket, because churches where they build now business it be. Churches where they build now business it be. How can a pastor connive with Nigeria government to wipe out Yoruba and Igbo come up for Nigeria? How can a church pastor say that? Plan with Nigeria government. That is what we see when election will come. You go see all these governors, all these president, they go this church. They clap hand, they follow this pastor. Then all those pastors go use their member to support them. They support them, make them win. Today, see what pastor is saying. If this pastor feel talk like this, they don't connect with their ogas pata where they Nigeria here. The owner of Redeemed Church don't do things together before this one fit talk and come out. He and the one within Nigeria, they don't plan now. Talk to Nigeria government. Why I don't want to wipe those two people for the country? Because they want freedom. They want Oduduwa nation and they want Biafra. Then, and the killing way basically yes, they take place for Nigeria. When I nothing come out, cause okay, Monaco protest, made a stopper. This guy was courageous enough to come out, church service, he come and come protest, say no. What you guys did is not right. How now so made a wipe these two states come up for Nigeria? Now they practice what they preach at all. Now they practice some at all, because what they preach is different from what they do. Yes, what they preach is different from what they do. Just see church of these days. See church of these days. Look at everywhere. Different things now they happen inside church because they not come openly say they won't come serve God. They open up for business purpose. They open up for business purpose. That's why you see them. They get jets. They get church follow everywhere. Get jet follow everywhere. Get how many churches for one street? All because of the money. Not because they are serving God for real. Not because they want to win soul to Christ. No. Because they are creating business for themselves, for their born children, or born children. Now they open it. This is our business these days. Churches these days now business it be. Church now business. If only these people go know, say, all this money one they give all these pastors so that they use until they reach their self, it will be better. Money one they give pastor, go and give it to the needy outside. Pastor, what they give money today so? It don't use the money to better. People where need the money, not be your pastor, not be the leader. People where they street, where they hunger, where so man, I need your money. Now those people need the money. Now see pastor where they give money. See pastor where they say yes, you supposed to stand for these two countries, Yoruba and Igbo. You supposed to stand for them. But now they come and come say, may they wipe these two people come for this country called Nigeria. What a shame to the church. What a shame. How can a pastor say that to Nigeria government? How many Fulani man there in our church? How many bandits or whatever, all these Fulani people, Muslim, how many of the days in our church they worship Putuna? None. We get Yoruba for inside on our church there. We get Igbos for inside on our church there. The two tribes where they say when the church say me they white come out now. Now these two tribes mostly they patronize on our way. These two tribes mostly they patronize on our way. Then I be the tribe when I see me they white come out. What a shame to these pastors, to the church. You see the reason why most people don't like going to church? These are the reasons. Because they do things for their self-benefits. They don't care for other people. They only care for their self. What they will just get none and they care for? They care for your tithes. They care for your offering. Finish. They care when you come they clean the church for them. Finish. Anything past that, they don't care about you again. After them, nothing else. They don't care more about you. They only want money from you. They only want you to come to the church and start cleaning the church, clean the chair, clean everything. Use you work for inside the church, then you go hold. Not be the pastor, not be go put dirty side here. Now the pastor go put dirty side because he says say all the members who dey in church, all of them don't taban. All of them don't liquidate. They don't hold. They can go put dirty side, go through there for inside there. Yes, he go through there for inside dirty side. Anybody like me, they carry. He don't care about you guys. How they take carry on for inside the dirty side. He don't care. He don't care about your head. How the person want to use you. He don't care about that. He only care about himself. He only care about the protection of the site. He don't care how you gonna, person who won't go carry for inside there. He don't care about those ones. These are people that you people are worshiping. If only my people will open their eyes and see that these people want to worship so. They not send you. Now walk they as you they walk, now so then they walk. As you they walk, now so then they walk. That is one thing you need to know. So it's high time you guys know this. If not be this guy will come out now, una for no say somebody come out talk say may they wipe Yoruba and Igbo come out for country called Nigeria. Una for no. Although say yeah, those people they want their own nature, but not be pastors go connect with Nigeria government. Well, the guys make I drop this video here. Tell you guys will be here. I just say my tell and say churches where they go, not be churches, and business. Now they be all of now way days are there. Now be there ATM.
Okay, guys. Should this be true? I don't know, but my doubt is the pastor, the general overseer of Redeem, is a Yoruba man. Could he stand for Nigeria to kill all the Yorubas? But it's Yoruba man too. I don't really know what is going on. So I just say let me just share this and what this guy is saying. to you guys. Okay, please, what I want you to do is you just leave your opinion and tell me what you think concerning the video. And remember to give a thumbs up, and remember to share our video, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I'll see you in another time. Bye bye.